doo-doo,
And I
they
think
go a
to
long
myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, it's Mr. and Mrs. Groupon. Today we have another activity. It's Labor Day weekend, so we're gonna go to the gun range today.
So we're gonna be down in New Hampshire today at Granite State indoor shooting range. So because we found a great Groupon offer, so $14 for one lane and one single caliber firearm. And that's something that we really like doing is going to the gun range, especially like when we go down to Florida.
Yeah, we go to Florida every year. And we always take advantage and go to the gun range and
when we saw that offer, we just jumped on it, and hopefully it's going to be fun. We'll let you know because we'll be taking you along with us.
Yeah, we're going with another couple. So it's going to be a nice, fun group activity, and we'll make sure to take videos and pictures.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey guys, so we're back again. This time a week later from when we went to Granite State indoor gun range. Sorry for the wind, guys. We're outside. We're at Blue Hill Reservation. We're just doing a little hiking.
Hi.
Okay.
Last weekend we went to the gun range and we had such a great time. I did really well with shooting his target in the center of the poster board. Like I said, it's one of those things we like to do as a couple. Anything you want to say?
Yeah. So like she said, like it was super fun. You can't really go wrong when with guns. They're fun.
Yeah, you can.
They're fun.
Yeah,
They're super fun. So it was a super fun Groupon to do. They had, like you said, there was different classes, all different. There's all different types of nights.
Yeah. So there's on Friday nights they have couples night. I think Tuesday they have women's night. There's tons of classes there, so you can like do firearm 101. I think the great thing about this place, you can pick out any gun. You can pick up any gun and just go rounds on it and see if you like it and just have fun.
Yeah.
We use it as a sport.
One thing I did like too, you give them your phone number and they'll hold your place in line. So it was actually like an hour-long wait.
Yeah, there was like an hour and a half long wait. So they offered to call us, and they actually texted us every 15 minutes to see how far along they are, how far along we are to get seen.
So that was super helpful because we actually went to the mall and
got something to eat and walked around. And this is in New Hampshire, and we're in Boston. We're from Boston.
Yeah.
So it was cool to see New Hampshire and walk around the state. So when we walked in, the first thing you need to do is the waiver, and then you go to the counter. They take your identification, and they give you some board to hang up your fire. What is it? That poster.
Yeah. So they give you like a cardboard
to
board.
Hang up your target.
Yeah, to hang up your target.
And then you go to the other counter and you pick out your gun, your firearm.
Yeah.
And I'm used to the Glock 27. That's it. That's what I like to use. That's what I was taught how to use, and I'm just comfortable using that gun.
Yeah.
Vlad likes to try out the big ones, and I don't do that. But the thing is, you only get one gun per group. So if you're in one lane, you only get one gun per lane. So if you're with the big group, you get one gun. So you guys gotta take turns, and yeah. Well, we know how to use a gun, so they didn't really have to teach us anything. But if you want to learn, they were super helpful. They took their time explaining the different parts of the gun, how to put on the safety, and then the safety part. Don't point the gun at anyone.
Yeah.
Don't walk around the store with a loaded gun. Keep your gun unloaded. Take the magazine out and keep it in this bucket that they give you to carry to the lane. And then when you get to the lane, that's when you can take out the gun and load it up. And yeah. So, anything else you want to share? So they give you gargles.
What?
Not gargles, glasses to cover your eye protection for safety. They also give you ear muffs because it gets really loud in there. And if you have, Vlad wears glasses, so he didn't need any eyewear because he has his glasses. I prefer people to wear long sleeves and sneakers. I think that's a must. Sneakers.
Yeah, you gotta have that because the shells are hot. So
yeah, when you shoot the gun, my arms get done. Okay, like I was saying, when you shoot the gun, the shells pop out and they're hot. So they might hit your chest, your arm, your toes, and some people might freak out. And you have a loaded gun in your hand, and you might just go crazy.
Go crazy! Go stupid!
Because you just got a hot shell on your skin. And yeah, you just don't want to avoid that. So wear long sleeves to avoid getting burned. And it's not even a burn. Like, it's just warm on your skin. A tap.
it's just a tap, and it'll just fall off.
Just stay calm.
Exactly.
Don't freak out.
Or if you're gonna freak out, just put the gun down and then freak out after.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of pluses for this Groupon, but there was also one negative. I felt like the price
Wasn't clear.
exactly it wasn't clear.
We had a Groupon for a certain thing, and I don't know what happened.
So the Groupon said it was for one lane. It covered the price of the lane, and we would cover the ammunition and the goggles and the earmuffs. But it seemed like there was kind of some hidden fees because I saw that they put 0 for the lane, but also in like a different section of the receipt, it said that there was another charge for the lane again. So it was kind of weird. So I kind of felt like those hidden fees. But all in all, that was like the only negative about the Groupon trip.
Yeah, definitely we'll do it again.
Yeah.
If we live closer, we'll do it every weekend.
Exactly.
It was a great place.
It was.
The customer service was great.
Yeah.
It was clear, organized. Just be safe. Yeah, have fun.
No.
As a sport. Hey, we wanted to talk about what Groupon is. Vlad?
So for those that don't know what Groupon is, it's a site that helps you buy items, create trips,
Yeah, my mom.
shop.
Yeah, she was shopping online on Groupon, and it's a place where you can just get things cheaper.
Yeah,
And
so-
the coupons expire.
Yeah, so each coupon has like a time limit. It can be for a certain day, it can be like for a month, it can be for a week. But when it's gone, it's gone. But usually those coupons are like super low price from where they would usually be.
Yeah, Vlad was recently looking at resorts,
Yeah.
and that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So if you want to go on vacation, do something small, big, Groupon.com, or download their app. Hey guys, we just finished our hike. We just wanted to take this moment to talk about our why we're making these videos. Me and Vlad, we have different schedules, so we don't have time to hang out, but we wanted to make it a priority to do activities on the weekend.
Yeah, so we see Groupon as an opportunity for that. They give a lot of activities that we normally wouldn't do. So, and it really don't cost that much. So we see it as a perfect opportunity to use Groupon as a way to just bond and get closer and have family time.
A lot of people these days, they don't really go out and go outside and see the world, and I think this is a great way. Using Groupon is a great way to go out and treat yourself, treat the ones you love, and enjoy life.
Yeah, and it's me and Tatiana, we save a lot, but I don't see the worth in saving if you don't splurge sometime and have fun on your take the time to have fun. Groupon is a way to do that. You really don't spend that much, but the activities that you do, they go a long way. Yeah, oh yeah, but yeah, so the activities that are provided by Groupon, they go a long way. They're super fun and they really don't cost that much. So
yeah, so if you want to eat, shop, and do fun activities, download the app or go to Groupon.com and enjoy your life.